Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, and we have Kane Brown and Jelly Roll here collab on the new album from Kane Brown called The High Road. Alright, so this is track number 8, I believe one of the more popular tracks on this album so far, I believe. Anyway, Haunted, and this is about mental illness and all the struggle with that. So yeah, let's go into this darker song with a darker meaning, but anyway, a subject that needs to be brought up here. So yeah, let's go into it, and we're gonna start the song with the capo set on the 1st fret. That's the best scenario for us, and with that we have 3 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. We have the A minor, the C, and G. So very simple, guys. Let's start with the chords A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is C, very easy transition there. You just release the 2nd fret G string and put that finger on the 3rd A. Everything else is the same, and that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the C chord, and the final chord is G. And it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. So we have that chord progression A minor, C, and G. Now let's take a look at the strumming. And we have 2 parts here. So we're going to look at the transition between A minor to C, because we're going to play A minor part 1 and then C part 2. So together it sounds like this. Alright, so A minor part 1 first, it will be down, down, clap, down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up. That's part 1, and then you have a pause, and then comes the part 2, played with C. And you're gonna play up, down, clap, down, up. So up, down, clap, down, up. And if you put that together, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And that is how you play to start with. So A minor part 1, C part 2, and then you have the final chord G left, and guess what? You're going to play 1 full round of that. So both part 1 and part 2 together. And once you play that G 1 full round, you just start all over again and play that through the entire song. So a couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, so that is how you handle Haunted from Kane Brown and Jelly Roll. And I plan to do maybe a couple more songs from his latest album, Browns. So if you're a fan of that album, if you want to learn on guitar, then this is the channel to go to. Subscribe to this. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.